welcome back. We're doing a new review today on some of the new stuff I got. So let's, dig into it. First, we got my new box of chains. See a little bit right there. Okay. We have the golden cross right here. This looks pretty nice. Take that off. Just got back from the field. Did pretty good. And next, this is kind of a thicker chain, but I definitely like this one. Nice. So next what I got is baseball equipment. Yes, one of the most known things, Bruce bolts. Bruce bolts, we got them. And a lot of people think I should get the cotton candy, but Diamond Dogs colors are blue, white, and gray. So I did end up getting the blue, white, and gray ones. Just let me straighten them out for a minute or two. These things are fire. I know they look a bit out of hand right now, no pun intended, but they look a bit out right now, but in the videos, you'll see me using these. Next up is the best one of all. Chase? We have it. The 2025 USA Hype Fire. So now in the vids, you get to see me rocking with 2 gold chains, 2 great batting gloves, but only 1 amazing Hype Fire. That's all we got for today. See you back with more videos with the Wright brothers. Bye.